What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man, back at another video today. You've seen the thumbnail. We're going to be doing a review and on feet over these Adidas Pharrell human racers, and this is the neon volt colorway. Of course, you can see it's super bright in the camera, so I definitely have to turn the brightness down for you guys with this review, man. You already know the on feet gonna be super crispy, so stay tuned for the whole video. Before we get into that, I need you guys to go check out that review and on feet over the Air Jordan 4 fossils or mushrooms, whatever you want to call it. Did a dope on foot. And I feel like this shoe is definitely gonna go down as one of the top 10 sleepers of 2019. People really thought these weren't gonna do nothing. They thought they were gonna sit, and these things actually sold out everywhere. There's probably a couple of sizes here and there floating around, but all around San Antonio, I know they are probably off the shelves, because when I went up there, like I said, the size 9 was gone, so I had to go up to a size 9.5, which I can do in 4s, you know what I'm saying? So shouts out to Shoe Palace, and like I said, make sure you guys go check out this review and on feet and leave a like on this video. So all that being said, enough talking, let's jump right into this quick review over these Adidas Pharrell human racers, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, I want to talk about the box, man. Like I said, this is my first time copping a pair of human racers, and right here, as you can see, you got the triangle with the HU, got the 3 on top, and you have 2018 on the bottom of that HU. I'm pretty sure that stands for human, I guess. I don't know. If y'all know what it means, let me know in the comments below. I don't know a lot about this model, like I said, because it's my first time copping it. I can never get my hands on it, you know what I'm saying? So here you have right here, you got the 3 stripes, you got the Adidas right here, and right here you have PHHU, NMD, PRD. And I got them in the size 8.5 because they did sell out in the size 9. So like, let me go down to half a size because, you know, usually Adidas run smaller than like Jordan and stuff like that. And there's no official colorway on these, but you can just tell right now these shoes are just all over Volt colorway or yellow, neon, whatever you want to call it. Inside you have an extra pair of laces right here. This is a little bit darker laces than you have in this shoe already. This is more like on the greener side, I would say, but they're very, very similar to the ones in the shoe already. Done with the box. So here we go. Here we have it. All over neon. There's not much to this review because this shoe is all over neon, as you can see. Yellow on this camera right now. When I'm looking at it, it looks like it's like green, like a neon green, but this is more like a yellow in person, you know what I mean? It's super vibrant, super loud. You're definitely gonna be turning people's head with this sneaker. And right here, as you can see, you got the 2 Chinese or Japanese lettering, whatever it is. Pretty sure you Pharrell heads, you Adidas heads know what this means. I'm not too hip on the human racers and the Yeezys and stuff, but the ones that do cop, I try to, you know what I'm saying, learn a lot about the shoe because I know it's a lot more to it than just 2 Chinese letters, man. So y'all let me know what that is in the comment section below. It is the same print, it's just embroidered into the shoe. All over prime knit, I would say this is. Very stretchy material around the shoe. And like I said, with the laces right here, as you can see, these are pretty much identical to the ones they gave you. Extra, you can see it's kind of like greener. This is pretty good how it's picking up right now. It's more of a green, and this one is like identical to the color of the shoe, man. So check it out right there. Extra laces, and then the laces that's in the shoe already. On the back, you got the triangle again with the HU right there. And with this triangle, you got different colors, like a multicolor triangle. And of course, on the midsole of the shoe, you have the 2 little, I don't know what these are called, but I'll see them on a lot of NMDs and stuff like that. You got this right here, you got the caging right here, and on the other side, you have one. You don't get the one in the front like the other side has, but you do get the one in the back with that same cage look right here with the laces going through it, of course. On the inside of the shoe, you have like a multicolor insole, as you can see. Let's see what it says. It has pelvis in here, has stomach, liver. I'm guessing this pretty much saying all the stuff that you have in your body. I know it's more meaning to the shoe. I wish I knew more about it, but in there you can see you have different words as far as, I guess, what the human body has. With the other shoe, you have the same thing on the insole, nothing different. Same in there, you got liver, stuff like that. Like I said, it's all part of the human body, human anatomy, I guess you could say. And on this side, it says no on the shoe, and this over here, this might mean no on this shoe, but pretty sure it means something different, man. So you have no right here, and of course you have the 2 Chinese letters over here. On the bottom of the shoe, you have that gum bottom. I know that really is appealing to a lot of people. People love that gum bottom. It just gives it a nice hit off of that neon yellow, and I think it looks very, very nice. And you can also see the Ultra Boost material from the bottom of the outsole. Check it out. You have that Ultra Boost going around the whole midsole, of course. And I think they got these on most of, or all of, the Pharrell Human Racers. You got that thick layer of Ultra Boost material, man. So these might be more comfortable than the Yeezy 350s, might be more comfortable in the 700s as well. So I'm gonna leave that to the on feet. I want to keep this video very short for you guys. All right, that is it for the review over these super loud Adidas Pharrell Human Racers in that Bolt colorway. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure you leave a like right now. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know which colorway you like the most. They dropped in the cream colorway, black, pink, and of course this one right here. Let me know which one was your favorite, and let me know which ones you end up coming up with. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Like the video right now. The goal for every video is 200 likes. Follow me over on IG at DeVintage World, man. Click the link in the description and go follow your boy. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this on feet over these crazy Pharrell Human Racers, man. Let's get it.